everyone, it's Robin from Mid-Atlantic Builders coming to you from South Lake and Bowie. We are very excited to show you how our Vista model home is coming along. We are in drywall and we're going to do a quick sneak preview. There's a lot to see in this 3,100 square foot townhome. There's a lot of light coming through these windows that are almost floor to ceiling, and we also have a kitchen that is fit for a single family home. I'm in one of my favorite places in the home, which is the master suite bathroom. Mid-Atlantic loves to specialize in spa bathrooms, and here we have 2 shower heads, a really long bench, a huge amount of space in here, and then we'll also have frameless glass. Thank you so much for visiting the Vista model home on a sneak preview tour. So take advantage of the pre-construction specials by taking a tour with me at 301-603-2333.